Hello children, welcome to English class. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today we can do the activities of the Who Did Aleena's homework on page number 140 and we do worksheets on page number 141 and page number 143, two worksheets. First, we will do the activity 8 on page number 140. Page number 140. Take the page number 140. Look at the pictures given below. Look at the picture given below. What are the things you see in this picture? What are the things you see in this picture? What are the things you see in this picture? There is a books, pillow, school bag, dirty clothes, skipping rope, badminton bat, shoes, clothes, cricket bat, and ball. Is it right? Okay. It was the Aleena's room. It was the Aleena's room. Before she changed, it was not cleaned. It was not cleaned. The room is not at all neat. The room is not neat. It is, the things are in disorder. The things were in disorder. Where can you place these things in the room? So, we have to clean the Aleena's room. Are you ready? Are you ready? Children, are you ready? Okay. One is done for you. We can see the books. Okay. First, keep the books on the book rack. Keep the books on the book rack. Rack means shelf, bookshelf. Keep the books on the bookshelf. And next we can see a pillow in the floor. We will put the pillow on the bed. Put the pillow on the bed. Put the pillow on the bed. And third, we can see a school bag is in the floor. And put the school bag in the rack. Put the school bag in the rack, in the shelf. Put the school bag in the shelf. Put the school bag in the rack, in the shelf. Next, we can see the dirty clothes. Dirty clothes on the floor. We have to clean. Put the dirty clothes in the basket. We have to put the dirty clothes in the basket. Next, we can see the skipping rope. Aleena's favorite sport was skipping. And the skipping rope is in floor. And put the skipping rope in the shelf. Put the skipping rope in the shelf. Put the skipping rope in the shelf. Next, we can see the badminton bat is under the bed. Next, put the badminton bat in the hanger. Put the badminton bat into the hanger. Put the badminton bat in the hanger. Put the badminton bat in the hanger. Next, we can see the shoes. Shoes in disorder. Put the shoes in the shoe rack. Put the shoes in the shoe rack. Put the shoes in the shelf. Put the shoes in the shoe rack. Next, we can see the clothes. Put the clothes in the shelf. Put the clothes in the shelf. Put the clothes in the shelf. Next, we can see the cricket bat on the floor. And we have to do, keep the bat on the shelf. Bat on the rack. Keep the bat on the rack. Keep the bat on the shelf. Keep the bat on the shelf. Keep the bat on the rack. Next, we have to do, we can see a ball in the bed. We can keep the ball on the rack. We can keep the ball on the shelf. We can keep the ball on the shelf. So the Aleena's room was cleaned. We finish the Aleena's room as cleany room. Thank you, children. That was the activity 8 in the Who Did Aleena's Homework. So you have to write activity 8 is on your notebook. Okay. Did you understand activity 8? Okay. Next, in page number 141, there is a worksheet. There is a worksheet. You should do the worksheet and write it in your notebook. You should do the worksheet and write it in your notebook. In worksheet, we can see there is a box. In page number 141. Given in the box below are activities. They are activities usually done by children. It was related to the activities of children. Aleena does many of these herself. Aleena does these activities done by herself, but she needs the help of her parents. For doing some of them. Aleena needs the help of her parents for some of the activities. Look at the box. We can see the activities. Setting the school bag. Next, doing homework. Next, filling the water bottle. Next, sweeping the floor. Next, taking bath. Cooking. Packing lunch box. Cutting vegetables. Making the bed. Helping grandparents. Cleaning the chapels. Next, watering the plants. Shopping. Washing the dress. Making up the face. Looking after pets. Cleaning the room. Washing the plate and glass. Putting dress on. washing the dress. It was the activities in the box. Next, how many of these can you do on your own? How many of these can you do on your own? How many of these can you do on your own? For which one do you seek the help of others? For which activities do you seek the help of others? Which of these cannot you do at all? Which of these cannot you do at all? So, complete the table given below. First column, I do on my own. In the first column, you will write the activities as done by you. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയുന്നത് ഫസ്റ്റ് കോളത്തിൽ എഴുതുക. In the second column, write the activities as done by the help of others. Second column, I do with others' help. In the second column, write the activities as done by the help of others. മറ്റുള്ളവരുടെ സഹായത്താൽ ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്രവർത്തികൾ ഏതൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് രണ്ടാമത്തെ കോളത്തിൽ എഴുതുക. In the third column, I cannot do. In the last column, write the activities that you cannot done. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയാത്ത പ്രവർത്തികൾ മൂന്നാമത്തെ കോളത്തിൽ എഴുതുക. So, complete the table. What are the activities you have written in column 1? What are the activities? Okay. Next, we move to the next worksheet on page number 143. Page number 143. You have a worksheet. Here are some events from the story of Aleena. Here are some incidents on the story of Aleena. They are given in a jumbled order. Jumbled order means they are in disorder. തെറ്റായി കിടക്കുന്നു. Then arrange the events in the order of they occurred in the story and write it in your notebook. Write it in correct order. Write it in correct order. The sentences are: Aleena went to the library. Aleena went to the library. Next, they stayed up late night. Next, read a lot to help the elf. Next, she looked up the word and spelled it. Next, Aleena and elf became friends. Aleena and elf became friends. Next, she liked skipping. She liked skipping. Next, Aleena referred to the dictionary. Aleena referred to the dictionary. Next, Aleena hated homework. Aleena hated homework. Next, Aleena got A grade in all subjects. Next, elf began to do Aleena's homework. Next, Aleena worked harder than ever. So, you arrange the events in the order, the correct order of they occurred in the story. So, write it in correct order. Write it in correct order. Okay. It was the today's class. Did you understand the class? Okay. Have a nice day. Take care, children. Okay. Thank you.